Hi everyone, my name is Idil and welcome to Eat and Shine. Today we are going to make delicious Turkish cookies. In Turkey we call these cookies flour cookies. You can think of them like sugar cookies. We only have a very few ingredients. They're a staple cookie recipe in Turkey and I wanted to share it with you guys because they're so easy to make and so delicious. So first off, what I'm going to do is I'm going to whisk my butter, which is at room temperature, about 250 grams, with some powdered sugar. You can think of it as half a cup in my mixer here. Now that my butter and powdered sugar are incorporated, and because we're using powdered sugar, this is going to be quite easy, I'm going to add flour. To the flour, I'm adding some baking powder and a little bit salt. I don't make these cookies so sugary, like my mom, my grandma, they put twice as much sugar in these cookies. I make them just the right amount for me, but I still need some salt to balance that sugar. And now while whisking on low speed, I'm going to add in the flour to my cookie mixture. And this looks perfect to me. So you have two options here. Either you can take walnut-sized shapes, cookie shapes, or what I like to do is I like to transfer this to a parchment paper and give it a square shape and then just cut it vertically. And I'll show you how to do that. And why I like this is, so I'll cut these up and I'll cook some of them and I'll transfer the rest to my freezer. So whenever I'm in need of some sugar cookies, I have my prepared dough. Now I'm going to transfer this to my freezer for about 5 minutes so that butter firms up a little bit. You can also let it sit in the fridge for 30 minutes and then we'll cook them up. And now let's cut these up. I'll transfer them to my tray. Shape them like my grandma used to. And I'll cook these in a preheated oven at 170 Celsius degrees for about 10 minutes. The rest of them I'm simply going to cover it up and put it back to the freezer. And they're ready. Guys, my kitchen smells amazing right now. Just this simple few ingredients and it gives out the perfect results. They're so soft, it's so much fun to eat. You can dip them into milk. Kids love it, my son definitely loves it and I love it too. So now for the final touches, because I'm making these like my grandma used to make, I'm going to sift some more powdered sugar. Making some powdered sugar rain. And look how soft and crumbly they are. Like if you press enough, they'll just crumble in your hands. They're absolutely delicious with the softest texture ever. So this is a very typical Turkish recipe. If you have any Turkish friends, if you make these cookies, they'll literally be super surprised. Please do try. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you try it, leave your comments down below. I would like to hear your thoughts and compare these to classic sugar cookies. Which one do you like better? I hope to see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.